In this video, I will show you how you can fix the not registered on network problem or the no SIM card problem on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, if you're facing any of these problems, just follow the instructions mentioned in this video to fix your issue. Now, to do that, first of all, just open the quick settings on your Samsung phone, and from here, just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it on. After that, just wait for a couple of seconds. And after that, just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it off. And by doing that, you will do a quick network refresh on your Samsung phone. After you do that, then just tap on the power icon in the quick settings and select restart. Now after your phone finishes restarting, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to settings, and under settings, just tap on connections. Under the connection settings, just tap on SIM manager, and from here, just enable the toggle for the SIM card which you want to use. Now, if they are already enabled, then just disable the toggle for your SIM card. Now after that, just wait for a couple of seconds, then enable this toggle back on. After you do that, then just go back, and from here, just tap on mobile network. On this page, just scroll down to the bottom of the page, then tap on network mode. Now, if you're in an area where the 5G signal is weak, then just select LTE instead of 5G. Now, if you're using two SIM cards, do that separately for the other SIM card. Now, after that, just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just grab your SIM card ejection tool, which comes with your phone in the box, or you can use any other SIM card ejection tool. Now, just insert the SIM card ejection tool in the SIM card tray hole at the bottom of your phone. Then just gently push the SIM card ejection tool in your phone. Then just extract the SIM card tray from your phone. Now just use a soft cloth and clean the SIM card. And also you can try to use any other SIM card because the issue can be in your SIM card. Now after you do that, then just insert the SIM card tray back in your phone. Now if you have done that, but if your issue is still not fixed, then just go to settings. And under settings, just scroll down and tap on general management. From here, just scroll down a bit and tap on reset. Now on this page, you will find the option for reset mobile network settings. Now just tap on it, then tap on reset settings. Now just enter your lock screen PIN, then tap on continue and select reset. Now by doing that, you'll reset the mobile network settings for your SIM card. But if you're using two SIM cards in your phone, then just go back and tap on this drop down arrow, then select the other SIM card and reset the mobile network settings for the other SIM card too. Just follow the exact same process, and by doing that, you'll reset the mobile network settings for both of your SIM cards. After you do that, then just go back to the main settings page, and from here, just tap on software update. Now just tap on check for updates and check if you have any update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your Samsung phone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. Now after you do that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if you have done all of that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your Samsung phone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.